The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, RCCG, Pastor Enoch Adeboye, revealed that he almost faced challenges with certain individuals in the country after urging Nigerians to pray for divine intervention against efforts of powerful cabals, who he allegedly said are working to hinder the success of private refineries in Nigeria. He made this remark during the ongoing annual Holy Ghost Congress, themed Onward Christian Soldiers at the Redemption City, along the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. While Pastor Adeboye did not directly mention the name of persons involved, he referenced the statement he made weeks ago during the church annual Abuja Special Holy Ghost service, which he said he nearly got him into trouble. I said something during the Abuja's Holy Ghost service, which I'm not going to repeat because I nearly got into trouble because of telling the truth. Certain things happen, at least in my nation Nigeria, that force you to wonder, are we under a curse? There are nations that didn't have all the resources we have, and yet they seem to be doing better than we are doing. Let me leave that out. The Vanguard reported that Pastor Adeboye had earlier expressed frustration over the billions of naira spent on repairing the nation's 4 government-owned refineries, which still fail to function optimally. Speaking on the importance of divine light to individuals, families, communities, and nations, Adeboye declared, "Let me just say tonight in the name above every other name, there will be light in our nations. Let me urge believers to cultivate a genuine relationship with God, emphasizing that such a connection would end all forms of emptiness, storms, and challenges in their lives." In his words, "The power of a soldier is determined by who is behind him. If you stick with your commander-in-chief, you will soon become like him." The first time it was recorded that our commander-in-chief spoke, he said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.